Hello guys and gals, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annette if you are new here. Today's video is going to be a short one because I am sweating. Today I'm just here to show off my thing. I made a thing and I'm here to show it to you. This is my thing. This started out as just me wanting to do a video of making my own magnetic Z palette ripoff type thing. I changed my mind. This isn't a how-to necessarily, like I'm gonna explain what I did, and this is in need of improvement. I'm gonna show you the gist of what I've got going on here, and you can just kind of try to disregard the parts that look like ass. But I wanted something a little different just to kind of have in my beauty room, like for stuff I'm not necessarily gonna be moving about the house, just stuff I'm keeping upstairs. So it's like a magnetic shadow storage. It's like a jewelry box for my makeup. This is just a wooden box from the dollar store. I painted it black and then I hot glued this sheer fabric over it. You can see the folds in the corner. Like I said, this is just, I was bored and this is a thing I did. So here's the thing. I did the same thing on the lid as I did with the bottom, and this is where it's going to, I'm going to tell you to just kind of disregard this because I definitely used the wrong stuff and I want to redo it with something much more durable and something that looks less like ass. So the inside, I got this gold glitter paper and it just is not holding up okay, like at all. But basically you can see I glue gunned around here. This part's all neat. But then on the inside, I covered it with the gold sparkly paper and it's just kind of lifting and peeling and it looks like shit. And then on the inside, I guess from a distance it looks fine, but I've got some little pieces here because I had the gold paper. I lined the bottom with it and then I also went around the inside edges, but I had to take that off because it just kept rolling up. Basically, it's the exact same as the lid, so I just painted it black. I hot glued the sheer fabric around the edges, and then I put the gold sparkle paper down at the bottom. This is just a magnet sticker that I got from Michael's. It was like $5, and this just peels on and off. So it's not very centered right now because I was pulling off the gold, this stuff. But I'm gonna fix it up a little more, and then I'll probably post the pictures on my Instagram. As of right now, this is where she's at. Yeah, so that's about it. This whole thing cost me $10. I got the box and the fabric from the dollar store. I already had the gold paper laying around at home. The magnet sheet is from Michael's. So there's that. So I just thought this would be a cute little pretty thingy to have in my beauty room, and it's also serving as a good home at the moment for all of my loose straggler eyeshadows and face powders and thingies. I'm probably going to do another video where I go on about what is inside this baby, but I kind of want to wait until I make it a little more pretty, you know? If you guys have any suggestions for what you think I could do to improve this, let me know. I have a lot of ideas going around up here, and right now I'm just kind of focusing on fixing up this one, but I do want to make another one. I will definitely take those into account. I will credit you in my next video and any posts on Instagram that I do following this thing. Collective minds here. Let's make some awesome little makeup jewelry boxes because I don't know what else to call this thing. That's it. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to reading your feedback down in the comments. Leave this video a like if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my channel. We'll see you in the next one.